Trading baseball cards. Learning the symbols plus, minus, and equals. Charles, Karen, and Brian like to trade baseball cards. They use math when they trade baseball cards. They add and subtract. A plus sign is used for adding. A minus sign is used for subtracting. An equals sign helps to show how many there are after adding or subtracting. Charles has 10 cards. Brian gives him 2 cards. 2 more cards. Now Charles has 12 cards. 10 cards plus 2 cards equals 12 cards. Charles gives Brian 2 cards in return. Now Charles has 10 cards again. 12 cards minus 2 cards equals 10 cards. Brian has 7 cards. Karen gives him 3 more cards. Now Brian has 10 cards. 7 cards plus 3 cards equals 10 cards. Brian gives Karen 3 cards in return. Now Brian has 7 cards again. 10 cards minus 3 cards equals 7 cards. Karen has 5 cards. Charles gives her 5 more cards. Now Karen has 10 cards. 5 cards plus 5 cards equals 10 cards. Karen gives Charles 5 cards in return. Now Karen has 5 cards again. 10 cards minus 5 cards equals 5 cards. Charles has 10 cards. He gives 5 cards to Brian. Now Charles has 5 cards. 10 cards minus 5 cards equals 5 cards. Brian gives Charles 5 cards in return. Now Charles has 10 cards again. 5 cards plus 5 cards equals 10 cards. Words to know. Baseball cards. Equals sign. Minus sign. Plus sign. Trade.